welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, it's Angelica aka Angie B. Welcome to my first apartment tour or house tour. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. It took me about 4 months to find this place, but I finally found it. Actually, I found a real estate agent named the Z Realtor. I'll put his ad below, not sponsored. He helped me find this place. We are going to start right here. Now this is not completely furnished because I've only been here for a month and I'm taking my time with buying the furniture. So this is the little entryway. I'm most likely going to put a little table here. Those are just the shoes I put there when I'm taking my dog out. And then over here, this is actually supposed to be the living room. But I felt it wasn't cozy enough, so this is actually now going to be the dining room. So when I do get a dining table, it's going to be here with chairs, and I like that it's nice and big enough, and it's right across from the kitchen, which is where we're going next. We have these 2 bar stools here that I purchased. I thought they really match the vibe of the house because everything is very white and very almost sterile in a good way because it's perfect for filming. And so I thought I should bring in a little bit of warmth. And over here we have the fridge, which I came with this fridge. I actually bought this fridge on Black Friday before I found the house, and it fits perfectly. So that was a lucky guess. I'll just show you a sneak peek on the inside because it's not very arranged. There's not that much, but there's something. First of all, there is so much storage, which I absolutely love, like floor to ceiling storage everywhere. I absolutely love the storage. Here we have the microwave.
A bit of milk, full fat, which I've warmed in the microwave.
And I like it because it's basically like an air fryer. It actually has a metal. You can use metal on the inside, and it has this warmer underneath here, which just makes me feel so bougie. And then I keep stuff to use in the microwave in here, and then stuff to use in the oven over here. And this is the oven. All the appliances are Whirlpool except the fridge. And yes, this is just the oven. It comes with lots of trays already. I use it all the time. As we continue going here, we have my beloved kettle and toaster. Now I ordered these online because the prices are just ridiculous where I am here. So I got this kettle and toaster matching set. They don't come as a set, but I purchased them together like a set. This is the company that owns Nespresso, if you're not familiar with DeLonghi, and I just really like the whole vintage aesthetic, very much like similar to Smeg, but not exactly. I actually prefer this. We have the kitchen sink, which I like because the tap rotates both ways. I know it sounds silly, but I just like the high water pressure and this setting, which is great for washing dishes before you put them in the dishwasher, which is here, and there's already some things loaded in there, but I use this very often as well. I hate washing dishes, so this was an absolute must. Then over here we have a washer and dryer. It actually washes and dries, but because it's a washer and dryer in one, obviously heavy things don't completely dry, and it's Africa, so things dry in minutes, so I don't care that much that it's not drying, but yes. Washer and dryer was a must. Now coming to the rest of the kitchen, we have a glass stovetop, which I really like. I actually wanted not necessarily an induction stove or a glass top, but I didn't want gas as much as I love gas because I have a terrible sense of smell, and if I was to ever leave the gas on, I wouldn't smell it until it was too late. So yeah, this was perfect. And it has this on top. This filters the air when it goes up, and I also like that it has this light here, so when I cook, the light can be on while I'm cooking. This is just from a set of cast iron pots that I purchased locally. I can't remember what they're called, but if I find them online, I will link them in the description box below. And then we have these beautiful counters. I'm not sure what they're made out of, but I think it is quartz or something like that. It's definitely real stone though, and I really like how the stone looks. And then I like this view that we have here because it's open, and because I cook all the time, I needed a nice big kitchen. What I've been doing recently is I feel like I'm in a diner, so when I finish preparing my food, I put the plate here with my drink, and then when I go all the way around to the living room, I get the food like I've served myself. I just feel so fancy. One of my favorite rooms in the house, because it is where I spend a lot of my time. We have my dog bed down here. And there's the dog in the bed, Shirley. And here we have my couch. I absolutely love this couch. It is so comfortable. It is inspired by the Cloud Couch. So I just found this place called Interiors on Instagram. And I showed them a picture of a cloud couch combined with a different other kind of couch. And it's this nice like boucle fabric. So it's very nice and textured. And because the house is very white and the chair is almost white, I needed the texture just to add a little bit of dimension into the room. It is L-shaped. I'm not sure what the size is, but it is just perfect. It is extremely comfortable. It's basically like a bed. And I'm a very small person, so this entire couch is like massive for me. So I absolutely love it. And then in the background, we have almost floor to ceiling windows because I love the light and just the air that comes in. And then this rug is actually temporary. This is in my old bedroom from my old room, so I will be getting a new rug. So you see that a lot of things are missing. So if you like this, I will make another house tour when I have more furniture in the house. Over here we have my TV. It is a 65-inch Toshiba TV. I also got this on Black Friday because Black Friday is the best day for TVs for sales. But I absolutely love this TV. It is a smart TV. I am a complete snob when it comes to the quality of what I watch. I always want, of course, good shows, but also good quality in picture. So I had to have a huge TV. Honestly, no TV can be big enough. If it was wall to wall, it would be big enough. So, and it has no glare, even though it's right by the window, so I don't struggle with not being able to see with such a bright room. So now I'm going to take you to the other side of the house. So now we're heading towards the bedrooms. There might be a little bit of echo here because there's nothing, so let's hope it won't be too bad. This is a nice little hallway on the way. I'm thinking this might be like a gallery wall. I'm not decided yet, but I think that would work really well. I might call up my sister, Mola, to create some artwork for me. I'm really not sure yet, but I think I should use this wall space. And so coming straight into here, we have the guest bathroom. And it is quite small, but it does the job. We have like the tiniest sink I've ever seen, but it does the job. It's really nice. I like the high water pressure. And then we have a mirror here. And then we have the toilet roll. I feel like everything just looks so fancy. Everything's above the ground, so you can clean easily above the ground. There's the toilet roll there. You have the brush cleaner. The toilet is also above the ground, so you can clean underneath. And then we have this panel here for flushing with the #1 and #2. And then over here we have the bathtub, which is really nice as well. You have the soap caddy here, a bit of space at the back, and we also have some storage underneath the sink here. The water pressure is also really good here. And there's a shower attachment under here if you want to add like an extra shower head. This is my spare room, so we're just doing a quick glance. As you can see, there's still so much stuff everywhere. This is going to be my office / spare bedroom for whoever sleeps over, but there is lots of closet space here as well that can be used for clothes and blankets and stuff that I'm not using at the time. We have a little pantry. I'm not going to open it, but there's just like a vacuum cleaner and toilet paper, and yeah, this is just like for some extra supplies. And here, this is where the magic happens. And I mean filming, movie magic. This is my filming room. And if you'd like details on my setup, I can share that. But over here, we have closet space, which I use basically for filming stuff. So here is a bunch of hair products and like extra things I'm not using currently. In here, we have just some extra stuff from my filming equipment. And then also when I'm filming, I have my clothes in here if I'm filming multiple videos in a day. And then over here we have my makeup brushes, my makeup table. This is an extra bar stool from the kitchen, so this will go back once I get myself a filming chair. Then we have my lighting, my curtains, camera, all the setup. Then over here I have my 100,000 subscriber plaque, thank you very much. And then this is my old dresser where I had clothes, but for now there's just some extra makeup as well from PR and stuff like that. Makeup, skincare, nail stuff, all beauty stuff is what's in here. So yeah, nothing really big and fancy in this room, but I definitely use it a lot for filming. Okay, so here is the primary bedroom, and I love this room. The windows are also almost floor to ceiling. I love them. I just got these curtains yesterday. They are complete lockout curtains. So it's basically like a solid fabric at the back. You can't see through it. And then over here is my bed. This is the same bed I had in my old house. And this bed was made for me by another company as well that I just found on social media. I showed them a picture and they made me exactly what I wanted, so I absolutely love this room. Over here there's like my air conditioning unit and a plug for a TV. So eventually if I decide to put a TV, it would go here. And then over here is my sort of walk-in closet, I guess. I absolutely love it. There's so much space. I've hanged a whole bunch of jackets here and shirts, and this is more like my sleepwear section. And then we have some bags, some shoes, and a little bit of towels up there. The rest on the top is not yet full. That's just my vision board from last year. But yeah, things are happening. We have lots of drawers space here. I definitely fold my clothes like Marie Kondo, so I can use up a lot of space. And now we are going into my favorite bathroom of the house. So as soon as you walk in, first thing you can see is these panels of windows. Obviously they don't open, but it just lets in the perfect amount of light, and I am obsessed with this bathroom. Then we have a mirror over here, which is just exactly like the mirror in the other room. And then we have the sink, which is much bigger. There's some storage under here as well. I honestly wish there was a bit more storage on the walls, or maybe even behind the mirror, but there is a lot of storage in the other places in the house, so it's fine. I just store a little bit of my skincare at the end of the bathtub over there. Then we have the tub here, which I love, and I will show you what it looks like when there's bubbles inside. And I really like how it sprays out evenly. It just makes the bubbles so easy. Honestly, it's just the tiny things that make everything bougie. Then the toilet situation here is exactly the same as the other bathroom, like German style, I guess, with the big windows as well. Then over here we have the shower. It's a nice big shower. It has the rain shower head, so it really comes out nice and evenly. Really like that. Perfect for washing hair and everything. And this is the last bedroom in the house. If you have any questions like how much was the rent, how did I find the place, anything else like that, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm definitely interested in making another fully furnished apartment tour once everything else is in. So let me know if you want more of this vlog style, lifestyle content from me. I'm excited to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!